Hello everyone, this is techfellow YouTube channel and my name is Akib Hassan. Today in this short tutorial I will show you that how to boost up your PC performance. If you want to run heavy softwares like Adobe softwares on your PC, then you must have to upgrade your RAM up to 16 or 32 GB. But in this short tutorial I will show you some tricks and some hidden settings on your Windows 10 to boost up the performance of your PC. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Okay guys, first of all open run from your startup and then write %temp% and hit OK. Now delete these all files, these are the junk files on your PC. I hope this method will help you to boost up your performance of your PC. Now again open your run and type here PREFETCH. Hit OK. Now these files are also the junk files. If these are in a large amount, then you must have to delete them. This will help you a lot to boost up your PC performance. Now right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. From here you can see a column of memory. You can easily manage your memory by ending the extra tasks from here. Now again right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Now go to the startup. And now these are the things that uses your RAM at startup. If you see some extra files or softwares here, then select them and simply disable them. Simply open your PC. If you have a lot of things on your hard disk, then delete some extra files. More free storage will have more good and faster performance of your PC. Now simply open your PC and right click here and open properties. See how much RAM is usable in your PC. If usable space is low, then increase your RAM. This will definitely help to boost up your PC performance. I hope you like this video. For more informative videos, please stay connected and do subscribe. Thank you.